Hi, in this video, I will show you how to cancel your Adobe subscription. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to go to any web browser and then type Adobe and then log in your account. Now go to the right side or go to your profile and tap Manage Account. Here in Manage Account, you will see this overview. You will see this account and security, plans and payment, and communication. So what you're going to do is tap this plans and payment here, and then scroll down and tap plans. As you can see, I am not subscribed to any plan here, but if you are currently subscribed to a specific plan, then what you're going to do here is you have to scroll down and locate manage plan. So you have to click this one in order for you to cancel your subscription. So as you can see, once you tap that, you'll see this available actions here. So they will propose or they will recommend to find a better plan. So you can change your plan here, but unfortunately, we are going to cancel our plan. So you have to click this cancel your plan. And then they will ask you the reason why you want to cancel your subscription, of course. So it's up to you, whatever your reason here. Let's just say it's too expensive, or let's just say you have another membership plan. So everything is up to you. Then click this confirm. So once you have confirm, then it will take you directly to another page. And then here, they will offer you something or they will show you things to consider. So if you think that the plan is too expensive, then they have another option for you. So it's up to you if you want to keep your plan. Or let's just say because you want to totally unsubscribe your or cancel your subscription. So you just have to go and tap this no thanks. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you. See you again in our next video tutorials.